Hunter, come here. We'll hurry and press it again. Oh my God, how cute is that? That's one of the mamas. Check it out. So Sean, this is one little boy that I'm talking about that is Shelby's. Oops, then he's gone for the cat. I'll have to leave him back. Oh, she just put the little girl right there, up there. This is Shelby's little girl. She just thinks she likes it. Pick up the little boy right there and turn him this way. But this is the... My friend's gonna... Now, Mama's, everybody's in the way. Sadie! Sadie! Okay.
Did we get this little girl?
Oh, the brown boy's behind the... Okay, pick him up. Let me see his face. I'm doing a little video clip of him. Puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Anyway, that's the two boys there. Well, we got the boy in the pink blanket.
Who cares? This is not important. We have two at the same time.
Although I can't see a dog.
Hey.
Yeah, posing the puppy for a picture. He's got to be sleepy. He's not doing.
Get your foot in there. Get the foot in. Get the foot in.
He
Hey.
just wants to chew on the basket. Okay.
There he goes.
Hey.
Hey.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Oh, and somebody's pulling on the cord, on the strap.
Well, but I got my